Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp calendar event, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a calendar event in Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a calendar event in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing a lot of different projects and teams, sometimes meetings or calendar events are going to get canceled or rescheduled. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a calendar event, first you have to find the project. So click right here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, scroll down to the project that you want to delete a calendar event for. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, click into Schedule. Once you do that, scroll down until you see the calendar event you want to go ahead and delete. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the event. Once you do that, you're going to see these three dots here at the top. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Put in the Trash. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead and just click on the Edit button. Once you click on Edit, you can click on the trash icon. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. A quick second later, the page refreshes, and you can see this event is in the trash. If you made a mistake, you can go ahead and just click Undo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a calendar event in your Basecamp project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.